In this video, I will show you how to install Minecraft on Arch Linux. Before we get started, I want to quickly talk about online privacy. Whether you're streaming music, browsing the web, or using apps on Linux, protecting your internet connection is always a good idea. A reliable VPN helps keep your data private and your activity secure, especially on public or shared networks. NordVPN is one of the best VPNs on the market, offering strong encryption, fast speeds, and excellent Linux support. If you want to try NordVPN at a discounted price, check out the link in the description. It's a limited time offer and comes with a 30-day, no questions asked money-back guarantee. Now let's jump right into the installation. We're starting on the official Minecraft website. From here, select the option for Arch and Arch-based distributions. This takes us directly to the AUR page for the Minecraft launcher, which is the officially recommended package for Arch Linux. Since this is the official launcher, it's the best and most reliable option to use. To install it, we'll use an AUR helper. In this case, I'm using Yay. Open up your terminal and type Yay, S Minecraft Launcher. Then follow the prompts to complete the installation. Once the installation is complete, the Minecraft launcher is ready to use. Now we can open the application from the system menu. After launching the application, the launcher will download a few additional files in the background. Once that's done, we can move on. Next, go ahead and sign in with your Minecraft or Microsoft account. I'll skip past the login process here, and once you're signed in, the launcher will finish loading. At this point, everything is ready to go. You'll see the main launcher interface, and all you need to do is click the play button to launch the game. When you do this for the first time, Minecraft will automatically download and install the latest version. This part may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed, but once it's finished, the game will start up normally. As you can see, Minecraft is now running on Arch Linux without any issues. Overall, Minecraft runs really well on Arch Linux using the official launcher from the AUR. By the way, if you want to keep your streaming activity private and secure on Arch Linux, I highly recommend NordVPN. I've included a link in the description that takes you directly to a discounted, limited time offer. It also comes with a 30-day, no questions asked money-back guarantee, so there's zero risk in trying it out. And if you're watching this on your TV, you can scan the QR code with your phone's camera to check out NordVPN.